All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So these are the true wireless Bluetooth headphones I've been using from Tiamat. It looks like this is how you pronounce it. I've actually been using these for about 2 days now, and they are really nice, man. Some of the key features here you can see on the box is fast charging. Now, they do have pretty good battery life in their Bluetooth 4.2. The charging case is 1,000 milliamp hour charging case, and the headphones are just 60 milliamps. So it says you can get about 2 hours of talk time and 2 to 3 hours of play time, and it takes them about 2 hours to charge. I don't think it took them 2 hours to charge, not in my usage, unless they were partially charged when I got them. But you know, talking about comfort, because that's most important when it comes to something like this. How comfortable are they? And these are really comfortable. I gotta admit, they're super comfortable for extended use. I mean, you take these to the gym and you're good to go. You won't even, you'll actually forget that they're there. At least I think so. They're really nice. I really like how they look big, but once you get them in your ear, it's nothing like that. Trust me. When you talk about sound from Bluetooth headphones and things like that, it's always going to be subjective. And most reviews, 99% of reviews are subjective, because you won't have the same experience that I have. You might not like these. However, let's talk about the sound quality. Now, they do sound really loud. It is high quality, hi-fi stereo, but the bass is not like beating really hard. It's good enough depending on what you're listening to. But overall, this is a really nice set of headphones, and so they're retailing for $45 right now on Amazon. I like them. I don't really have any complaints. The connection was super easy, so all I did was I turned on one of them and then I paired it to my phone, and it comes up as WA something like that. It comes up as some I thought it was going to come up as the name here, and I'll show you what it comes up as. It came up as that TA-01. That was strange, but it did. That's what it came up as. So I was like, okay, because I was looking for that, and I was like, it's got to be this one right here, because I don't have anything in my catalog of Bluetooth, and you can see how many Bluetooth things I have on there. But nonetheless, it's a good set. Now let's talk about the charging case. As soon as you snap this on, it starts to charge, and again, there's 1,000 milliamp hour battery in here to keep them charged. So these haven't died yet in the 2 days that I've had them. I just put them back in the case when I'm not using them, but other than that, it's a good set of headphones, man. I mean, I don't have any complaints at this point. There's not a reason for me to have something, and if something bad comes up with them, I'll definitely report back to you and let you know, hey, in a follow-up video, if something starts to go wrong, I'll tell you about it. But other than that, man, I don't have any issues with them. They sound good, they feel good, and there's no problems with them. Comfort level is great. It's good. When you power them on and put them in your ears, it'll tell you left channel and right channel, which is nice. It lets you know. But again, pairing them was super easy, no problems at all. I like them. I really like them. So there you have it, man. Quick video on these right here. Check the link in the description. Again, no kickbacks for me. I don't get any money. I don't get any kind of nothing from this. Just wanted to show you the product because I agreed to review them. So there you have it. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.